Technology is often seen as the ultimate solution to our world's problems. But here's the paradox: the same technology driving innovation is also accelerating our climate crisis. Artificial intelligence, data centers, cloud computing, and digital devices consume enormous amounts of energy. By 2028, energy usage from data centers in the United States alone could account for up to 12% of the nation's total electricity. Globally, the ICT industry is already responsible for nearly 4% of greenhouse gas emissions, and that figure could climb to 14% by 2040 if we don't change how we design and use technology. So, what's the solution? It's called sustainable or green technology, and it's reshaping how we think about progress itself. Across universities, startups, and global tech companies, a new wave of innovators is reimagining artificial intelligence and digital infrastructure to reduce environmental harm. Green AI, for example, focuses on making artificial intelligence models lighter, faster, and far more efficient. Instead of generating long, data heavy outputs, these models are designed to give shorter, smarter responses that save both electricity and water used in cooling data centers. It's a small change in code with a massive impact, proving that sustainability isn't just about planting trees, it's about writing efficient algorithms. But the movement goes beyond AI. The philosophy of sustainable software development is emerging as one of the most powerful tools in modern climate action. It's about designing software that performs better while consuming less power, less memory, and less bandwidth. Efficient coding, modular design, and smart algorithms all play a part. Imagine every developer writing cleaner, optimized code that trims milliseconds of execution time across billions of devices. That's not just faster performance, it's a huge cut in global energy use. Green coding isn't just technical efficiency, it's environmental stewardship at the keyboard. Businesses too are waking up to this reality. Nearly half of companies today use sustainability initiatives to boost innovation and productivity. Technologies like cloud computing, virtualization, and e procurement are helping them digitize workflows, cut paper waste, and lower carbon footprints. By choosing renewable energy to power data centers, companies are reducing their reliance on fossil fuels. Even the code testing phase in software development is being rethought to make programs more efficient and energy aware. Sustainable IT is no longer an afterthought. It's a business strategy that saves money, attracts eco conscious clients, and keeps investors happy. The world's leading corporations are already showing what's possible. Apple has pledged carbon neutrality across its products and supply chain by 2030. Walmart is using smart logistics and digital optimization to reduce waste and fuel consumption. Facebook, now Meta, has committed to net zero greenhouse gas emissions across its value chain by the same decade. These aren't small gestures, they are industry signals that sustainability is becoming a fundamental measure of innovation, not just a moral checkbox. But it's not only corporations leading the charge. A growing community of developers and digital practitioners is taking responsibility for the environmental cost of their code. Organizations like the Green Software Foundation are creating open source tools and standards that help programmers measure and reduce the carbon footprint of their software. Code optimization, carbon aware scheduling, and renewable powered cloud infrastructure are becoming part of the developer's toolkit. Even universities are beginning to teach sustainable coding principles, preparing the next generation of technologists to think not just about what they can build, but how they build it. And here's the inspiring part. Responsible innovation isn't about sacrificing performance or profitability. It's about aligning progress with planetary boundaries. Every software update, every line of code, and every architectural choice can either harm or heal the environment. The future of technology depends on how consciously we make those decisions. As more technologists adopt energy efficient practices, open collaboration, and sustainability education, the digital revolution can evolve into a truly green one. Because at the end of the day, technology should not only make life smarter, it should make life sustainable. The real measure of innovation is not how fast we can compute, but how gently we can coexist with the planet that powers it all. The takeaway is simple yet profound. Code responsibly, compute consciously, and remember that even the smallest digital action can shape the Earth's future.
This information is brought to you by Ramakrishna Surathu, author of the book You Are God, founder, developer, and chief executive officer of the self sustainable city